So, good afternoon, everyone, and today we are going to learn about the democracy of India. What is the democracy? First of all, the democracy is nothing but that is the most of the widely accepted definition is that for the people, to the people, and by the people. Okay, so in every democracy, we have three three pillars. First one, that is a legislature. Okay. Second one, that is a executive, and third one, that is a judiciary. Okay, judiciary. These are so, legislature is nothing but what we say, we called as a, in Hindi, that is a Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Okay, Lok Sabha, and first one, and the second one, that is a Rajya Sabha. Fine, Rajya Sabha. So these two houses where the candidate are elected. For example, in the Lok Sabha, we call them as a MP, that is a member of parliament, and the candidates is directly elected from the people. So in case of the Rajya Sabha, we also call them as a member of parliament, but the candidates elected here by the each state assemblies. Okay, for example, in the Rajya Sabha, there are near about 19 candidates from the Maharashtra state. In the Lok Sabha, there are 48 candidates from the Maharashtra. So the executive, what is meant by executive? Executive is nothing but we called as a cabinet ministers. Okay, so cabinet ministers, which is a group of the small people. For example, those people are from these houses. For example, the head of the executive, that is a prime minister. Okay, prime minister is the head of the executive. Along with prime minister, we have home minister, defense minister, education ministers, finance minister, and so on. And each person, each member of parliament of that particular Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, be the head of that particular ministries. Okay, and these ministers we called as a executive. Why we called as executive? Because they are the responsible to introduce any law in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Okay, that is why we called as a executive. Fine. Now, why we called as a third pillar of the democracy as a judiciary? Because whatever the law made by the executive, okay, or the legislature, if there is any what we say, if there is any error in that particular law, for example, in case of the farm law or any law, so those are not legally acceptable. That time, what the judiciary's role? So judiciary give the order to that particular executive as well as the government of that country to make some changes in that particular law, and then introduce in the legislature. After legislature, if the law is bill is passed, then it comes toward the president, then this bill becomes the law. Okay, these are the three parts of the democracy. Understand? Any question? So that is all about.